RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show you how to change the water filter cartridges of a water dispenser. The content today is a bit long, so we'll break it down into 3 episodes. Click the icon in the corner to watch the other 2 episodes. Tools and materials. Water filter wrench. Water filter cartridge. First, turn off the water supply counterclockwise. Unplug the water dispenser. Take out the filter wrench. Rotate the wrench clockwise to loosen the water filter housing. Remove the old filter. Pour out excess water. Rinse it. Insert the new filter. Screw the housing back counterclockwise. Next, we're going to change the 3rd filter. There's no need to change the 3 filters at the same time. It depends on your water quality and consumption. The way to change the 3 filters is the same. Finally, plug the water dispenser in and turn the water back on clockwise. It's done. Also, water filter cartridges can be purchased at hardware stores. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.